Oh, I just saw lightning.
Yep. Ryan Lever here coming at you from Sudbury Weather Report. We got thunder and lightning. Lightning coming. I just want to get a nice bolt. Dude, it's right over there, bolt. It's going.
Yeah, I'm just amazed by those clouds are right there. That's crazy.
Yeah. I just want to get a nice bolt before I...
Yeah, I want to catch something too.
Just keep it over pointing in that direction, you'll eventually catch a bolt.
Oh yeah. You can hear
eventually. But it's that direction right where that tower is above.
Oh, I laugh if we got a good strike.
You're going to. It's about to strike any second.
Hopefully.
Fuck, my camera sucks shit. I need a better camera, guys. Somebody send me a camera, thank you. Is it ever coming down over there above the mall, though? Come on, lightning, come on. I'm sorry. It's more to the right, though.
Way down there.
Yeah, it's like where I'm pointing it. Yeah, it's like above where the source is. The source side is. It's where it's coming down. The lightning.
It's coming in.
Which, because it's not right over there, I'm over it.
The bird's going to get hit by lightning.
Outside of Scumball, and it's looking like it's gonna rain. And here it comes too.
Oh, it's coming fast.
Others.
I can't walk in this shit. Oh.
What?
A little bit of flash.
Hey Richard, this is your dad. I got some roadkill for you. See that? Dude. It's like we got this little guy. It's like a big one. Look at the flies on it.
Oh, nasty. What is it?
It's a dead coon.
A dead raccoon?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, eh?
Up Sudbury Roadkill Control.
That's awesome.
You fucking shut up, Smokey.
What? This is crazy. Oh. Nothing yet. I'll be back out here soon. Hope for something. Some action in the sky. Anyways.
Yeah, fuck that, man.
Nothing's happening.